Deep in the heart of innovation, this is one of the world's largest solar panel megafactories,
where raw silicon begins its transformation into clean energy.
At temperatures exceeding 1400 degrees Celsius, silicon is purified to 99.9999% purity.
In these crystal pullers, perfect silicon ingots are born.
Each ingot weighs hundreds of kilograms and represents pure potential.
Only the flawless ingots proceed to the next stage.
Ultra-thin wafers are sliced with diamond wire technology. These delicate wafers are the heart of every solar cell.
In ISO 5 cleanrooms, every speck of dust is eliminated.
Nanoscale pyramids are etched to trap more sunlight. This step creates the PN junction essential for generating electricity. A special coating reduces reflection and boosts efficiency. Silver and aluminum grids are printed to collect the generated current.
Each cell is now ready to harness the power of the sun.
Only cells exceeding 22% efficiency move forward. Cells are electrically connected into powerful strings. Hundreds of cells are arranged into full panel matrices. Every layer serves a critical purpose in protecting the cells for decades. Ultra-clear tempered glass protects the cells while maximizing light transmission. Ultra-clear tempered glass protects the cells while maximizing light transmission. The panel is now structurally complete and weatherproof. Strong aluminum frames provide structural integrity and easy mounting. This junction box safely collects and routes the generated power. Every panel is meticulously cleaned before rigorous testing. Invisible defects are exposed under electroluminescence testing. Each panel is tested to guarantee peak performance. Artificial intelligence and cameras scan for the tiniest imperfections. Experienced eyes provide the final human approval. Approved panels are carefully packaged for worldwide delivery. Thousands of panels leave this factory every single day. From here, they travel to solar farms, rooftops, and utility projects globally. These panels are ready to power a cleaner future. These panels quickly find their home on rooftops around the world. From rooftops to vast solar farms, the impact begins. One factory can supply panels for gigawatts of clean power. Every hour of sunlight produces clean, renewable electricity. Advanced systems monitor performance in real time.
Positions. The factory runs around the clock to meet global demand.
Solar power is transforming our planet, one panel at a time.
This is the future being built today, per you, in factories like this one.
From the first fragile cells to today's high-efficiency giants.
The next generation is already being born.
Even at end of life, over 95% of materials are recovered. This is the result of human ingenuity and engineering excellence. Every sunrise, these panels begin their silent work. From arid deserts
to majestic mountains,
Floating on reservoirs. And into the heart of bustling cities.
Bringing clean energy directly to communities worldwide.
Powering the dreams of the next generation.
bringing reliable, affordable energy to homes and families everywhere.
Solar installations have grown exponentially, and the numbers continue to rise.
Behind every panel is a team dedicated to a sustainable future.
This is where the green energy revolution is being built, one panel at a time.
From this factory, the panels begin their journey across the globe.
Powering homes, schools, hospitals, and entire cities.
A cleaner, brighter planet is being powered by human innovation. The future is bright, and it's being built right now.